Today we're going to take a look at two simple ways that you can add sharpening to your image in Davinci Resolve. So before we make any adjustments, it's important to note that any sharpening should be made after any noise reduction and your primary grade. If you add sharpening before noise reduction, all you're really doing is just sharpening the noise in the image. You also want to do your sharpening before you add a LUT or a CST. So this is just a basic outline of the order in which things should be added. This is by no means an extensive node graph. It's just a representation of the order of things. So the first way we can add sharpening onto our image is to head over to the primaries color wheel. We go to mid-tone detail. We can change this value really from anywhere to 10 to 30, and you want to be subtle in the adjustments that you make. You don't want to overdo it. So I like to keep this around 20. If we zoom in on our image, we can see these music notes here. We toggle our node on and off. We can see that the sharpness improves. It'll be more difficult for you to see on my screen, but on your own, you'll notice it quite clearly. So we zoom back out, we'll reset this node. And the second way, and arguably the more professional way to add sharpening, is to head over to blur. Then we go to sharpen, blur sharpen, and over here on our radius settings, we want to move these down to around 47. Again, just minor adjustments. Again, if we zoom in on our keys, we can disable this on and off. And we can see that the sharpness has improved. So that's just two quick ways, guys, to help you increase your sharpening. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.